What if I told you the best cocktail you'll have this fall comes with a bite?
Grab a sweater or your Snuggie, because we're about to get spicy.
3.
Intro.
Oh, I forgot about that. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And your boy Kareem.
So we are in our November challenge, 30 days, 30 videos. That means today we have a new video for you.
So we're continuing with Tequila Week. And we're going to warm up your heart and your soul with this drink brought to you by
The Part-Time Mixologist. Make sure you follow him. Description down below.
So let's get cracking.
So for today's cocktail, we use La Gritona, a Reposado tequila. Make sure you check out the video, the review. It's going to be up in this corner over here. But we did something special. So we took La Gritona and we added some serrano and pineapples and infused it and let it sit for a little while to make today's drink. So let's get started with it. Now, if you see, my jigger's a little different because I actually forgot it. So this is the top of one of the shakers. And believe it or not, this is 1 ounce right here. So I'm using it for today's drink. So with our serrano pepper and pineapple infused tequila, it'll be 2 ounces of this. Then we're going to do half an ounce of our triple sec. It's supposed to be Curacao, but we just couldn't find any. So we're going to use triple sec today. Now that is going to change the flavor just a little bit, but it shouldn't make too much of a difference. And then we add half an ounce of lime juice. Today we're going with the concentrate because we got a big ass bottle and we need to go through this.
That's that Costco.
Is that where you got that from? And here at Brew Broz, we're working on a bit of a budget, so we recycle our bottles. This pineapple juice. We do 1 ounce of pineapple juice. And for a little extra kick, we're going to be using our hot honey infused with jalapeños, a little bit of habanero, and some of the serranos that we infused the tequila with. So we're doing about a half ounce of this.
The original recipe calls for regular honey syrup. So we're using our hot honey syrup because we like to kick it up a notch.
Now, let me just get the ice. Can you pass me the ice, please? So we're going to use our ice, which is a huge chunk. Let's shake this up. All right. Let's pour out a drink. And here we have the heart and soul. Let's try it out. So once again, big shout out to the part-time mixologist. We're about to try the drink that he inspired us to make.
Yes. So here we go.
Ready?
Yeah. Cheers.
Ooh, you know what? It gave me like a little twinge in the back right here. It's for some reason this is actually lighter in spice than I thought it would be.
Yeah. Get the nice kick on the back of your throat.
Yeah.
From the peppers.
I think the chilling down factor of it, the fact that we put a lot of ice in here, has something to do with not getting the spice right away.
Yeah. definitely.
But it does come through in a subtle way. It sort of lingers as an aftertaste.
Yeah, you get that vegetal, taste from the peppers.
The vegetal?
Yeah, because
The vegetable?
vegetal.
Oh, vegetal. I know that's a word. I know English, right?
You taste the serrano peppers.
Yeah.
Get the pineapple coming through.
It does have like a subtle linger of just spice in there.
Yeah,
I wonder if that's the combination of the serrano with the habanero and the honey.
could be. So, Joey, what do you think? What would you score this?
Oh, you're asking me today. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see. I gotta try this one more time just to make sure I get proper scoring. That was my stomach.
Yes.
Okay. So, I think I'm going to give it 3.75.
3.75.
It has
wow.
it has a good flavor, right? Has a good kick to it, but it still feels very subtle to me. So it's a crushable drink, but I kind of prefer more spice.
You want more spice?
I do. I want more spice in this. What do you think?
Okay. Yeah, I think maybe it's the ice.
It's got to be. I think the ice is definitely.
It toned down the spiciness because it's not as spicy as our trials.
Very true. That is very true. So we did put more ice in this time, so that could be the reason why.
Yeah.
So, tell us what you think. Do you agree with my comment? Do you agree with my score? Would you give it a 3.75 or would you go higher? So once again, big shout out to the part-time mixologist. He is not affiliated with us in any way, shape, or form. He's not sponsoring this video. We just saw the drink and we want to try to remake it ourselves.
Yeah. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
And make sure you take a look at our other videos coming up for this month.
On that note, Joey,
Peace out, everybody.
stay fly.
What if I told you the best cocktail you'll have this fall comes with a bite?
Let's get warm and spicy. Okay. Again, grab a sweater or your Snuggie, because we about to get spicy.
3.
Intro.
Oh, I forgot about that. Oh shit, I almost fell over.
Oh boy.
So for today's cocktail, we used Reposado, Gritona. I'm gonna start over.
Just change.